Software includes a reporting system that allows you to manage the different selection processes in a very effective way. Inside the Candidates module, indeed, there is a dashboard with a complete overview of your candidates database. In particular, on the right side, you can find a set of counters that allow you to analyze the candidates you currently have at your own disposal. And you can even see exactly where they are geolocated. In addition, by clicking on More Details, you can find a set of more detailed charts. Among them, for example, there is the traffic sources that allows you to assess which are the recruitment channels from which you receive the most candidates. The same statistics that you see in the dashboard are also available for each single job ad, and all this data can always be exported from the system at any time and in different formats. In addition, we have developed a whole module dedicated to statistics, where you can access and export the details of your selection processes by cross-checking data by time frame, company size, and even employer.